Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to do a classic smoky eye. I know it looks really hard, but it is not, believe me. Just follow the steps and let's get started. I'm starting with the eyes first because we are working with the black eyeshadow, and if there's any pigment fall off on the face, you can easily clean off your skin and start with the base later. So I've already prepped my brows and primed my eyes. I'll be applying a loose powder under my eye so that if there's any fall off of the pigment, it can easily catch it and we can just dust it off. The very first and important thing that you'll have to do is get a kajal, black basic kajal, and just put it all over your lid. Now actually going in with the black eyeshadow, tap it on the areas where you have put your kajal and then blend it. Blending is the key here because if you don't blend it really well, the shadow will look patchy and it will show harsh lines. We have to avoid that. Going in with the second color to give it more dimension and that transitioned look. You will tend to lose some pigment while blending, so make sure you build it up again. Just blend it and build it until you feel it's right. So half of our work is already done. We just have to smoke out the lower lash line, get the lashes, and we are done. Tighten the lower as well as upper waterline with a black kajal or kohl. Some inner corner and brow bone highlight, and your look is complete. I did my base off camera, and just keep in mind that you have to go easy on the lips if you're going heavy on the eyes, and if you're going heavy on the lips, go easy on the eyes. That's the only key to any and every makeup look that you do. And here is the look all complete. I hope you like it. It was easy, right? I hope you were able to follow and learn. You know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.